So to start off the lesson segment of this video, I'm going to play the solo again at half speed. Now if you're ready to attempt this solo, you should be able to pick it up by watching me do it at half speed. And then later on at the end of the video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the two shred parts of the solo, the one in the middle and then the one at the end. Feel free to rewind as much as you need. Here's me playing the solo again at 50% speed. So now we're going to take a closer look at the first fast section of the solo, the part that's like... that much. And before we start, I just want to say be mindful of which fingers you want to use and try and mimic the ones I'm using, because we're going to take it slow at first, but once you bring it up to the original tempo, if you don't use the right fingers, there's no way you're going to be able to play it up to speed. So try and use the same fingers I am, and it'll help you out. So let's get into it. Starting off on the D string, 9th fret, you do a double hammer on, 9, 11, 13. And then go up to the B string, 9, 12, 14. And then high E, 11, 16, tap on 18. So all together. Then after that tap, we move our left hand down, pull off to 7, hammer on 11, and we do that tap configuration 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then after we do that 3 times, we move up and tap 2 frets higher on 18, and then we move our left hand up with our ring finger on 14. We pull off to that, and then we hammer onto the B string out of nowhere. 12, and then hammer on 14. So this part's going to look like 18, 14, 12, 16. And then we do that once. Then we do the same thing again, except we tap on 19 instead of 18. And we do the 19 one twice. So that section's going to be 18, 19, 19. And going to back it up a bit. 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 19. And then after the 2 19 taps, we tap on 18 again. This time we pull off to 14, pull off to 11, pick 12 on the B string. So 18, 19, 19. Then after that, we pick the B string again on 12, and another double hammer on 12, 14, 16. And we do it twice. So that part's going to be... So 18, 19, 19. And then we have a bit of a sweep section. So we're going to go way up here to B major sweep, starting on 23, pull off to 19, then 19, 20, 21, quickly down, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 7, 4. And the sweep part happens really fast. The dive bomb at the end. So here's that whole section of the solo again, slowed down. 19, 18. And here's a closer look at the last shred section of the solo. It's just a quick sweep based off a C sharp minor arpeggio. So we start 18th fret on the G string, and then we go 17 on the B, 16 on the high E, and then we go with our pinky to 21, pull it back off to 16, and then we go down the way we came up, 17, 18, and then we're going to do 18 on the D string. So that whole part together is. And for the two 18s, the G string and the D string on the way down, you're going to need to roll your finger. You can't go like this, it's got to be like a, so you kind of do a bit of a bar. Then after that, we go back up to the B string. 17, pull off to 16. And then we go down 18, 18, 19, then we stay on the A string, 18, 16, down to 14, 16 again. So that second half, 17, 16 on the B, then 18, 18, 19, 18, 16, slide down to 14, 16. And here's the whole thing slow. Up to speed. Hope that helps, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Peace.